Hey guys, today we're checking out the Pulsar Xlite CrazyLight, which is of course their new CrazyLight line of mice. And I always really liked the Pulsar packaging here. Whoever they got doing the graphic work over at Pulsar, this guy deserves, or this team deserves a raise. So we got the XS1 sensor, which is a 3950. The cool part about the packaging, they always list all the specs clearly marked on it. So I really like that. 32,000 DPI, 50 Gs of acceleration, 750 IPS, and up to 8K polling. We also get a more accurate breakdown on the bottom here. You can see that 2-year warranty as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. So this is their size 1. This is a mini. So you can see where they've hogged out all the material here, which is pretty cool. You can see how they Swiss cheese the PCB as well, which I think is pretty cool. PTFE skates, these feel very nice. Got a little bit of material on them. You can see we got the branding on the side. We get a DPI button, we get an on-off switch, indicator LED under here as well. Doesn't seem to change color for switching between your DPI profiles. This is an ergo shaped mouse. There's a lot of different ergo shaped mice on the market right now. So, you know, we even got their own Zywu, which is a very similar type of ergo shape. I got a review on this one coming out soon. We got the Lamzu here. This is the Paro, I believe. There's also the Thorn. The Thorn is also pretty similar to this. We have the Death Adder here. The Death Adder's a wee bit bigger. This is the V4 Pro. This is for bigger hands. Although I have a bigger hand and I prefer the smaller shape. Let's start with our packaging here. So we're gonna get a USB-C to USB Type A, and is an angled cable. It's got a little bit of branding on it, which might be hard to see. It's also braided, which I really like. I like that. I'm moving towards the brand instead of rubberized stuff. I always hated rubberized USB cables. We've got something else in here too. I have a sneaking suspicion we're gonna get a Pokemon card. So we get dot skates in case you want to replace the PTFE skates that come stock on it with some dots to shave off a couple grams. You got that. Got a CrazyLight sticker. I got so many of these stickers now. There's our Pokemon card right there. So you can see it has all the specs over here. So the encoder is a TTC golden dust-proof encoder, if anybody was curious about that. And then we get the user manual as well. Something cool about this mouse, 8K polling out of box. I don't think 8K polling is all marketing makes it up to be. It uses so much system resources. I've noticed in games like Overwatch, Marvel Rivals, it just makes everything lag. So it's not really worth it to me. Plus you're only shaving off, you know, milliseconds. Like, you're not gonna notice, guys. Next, we got the dongle. Always like the Pulsar dongles. There we go. We got a nice see-through one, proudly branded with 8K there. All the specs going down it. First impressions here. It feels like pretty decent in the hands. This is pretty solid. All the clicks sound very good. These have the Pulsar optical switches in them, so you don't have to worry about any sort of double clicking issues. The mouse wheel sounds pretty muted. The click is not muted, which I like. I like a definitive click. Side buttons are okay. I'll put up an actual sound test for you now. I'm not sure what you guys think of this format. I'm trying to make stuff quicker. Obviously, I have a pretty intense editing style, and I'm trying to get things out the door a bit quicker. So if you like this and you think it's okay just to get some stuff out the door quickly, let me know in the down in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Any input would be great. Thank you for watching. As always, I hope you learned something, and until next time, GG.